Story 3. BYD takes liability for assisted driving. BYD made one of the boldest assisted driving moves we've seen. The company said it could cover repairs, compensation for qualifying accidents that happen while driving or using its city navigation assisted driving feature. That is a big deal. Most automakers market driver assistance system very aggressively, but they still put most of the responsibilities on the driver. BYD is saying under certain conditions, if the system is responsible, BYD will put money behind the promise. My take is this puts pressure on every automaker including Tesla, because if a company really believes in its assisted driving tech, buyers are going to start asking, why are you not willing to stand behind yours? Talking about Tesla. Story 4. Lexus LF-ZC EV canceled. Toyota reportedly canceled the Lexus LF-ZC electric flagship project. This was supposed to be a major next-generation Lexus EV, but the project was reportedly canceled as Toyota reviewed its broader vehicle development plans. And honestly, this tells us something important. Toyota is not abandoning electrification, but Toyota is clearly not rushing into expensive EV projects just to impress investors. My take is, Toyota is reading the market. Luxury EV demand is not as easy as automakers wanted it to be. Toyota would rather pull back than burn the money on car that may not deliver a strong business cases. That may not sound exciting, but this is probably smart. Hello everybody and welcome. Thanks for watching the news, and let me know in the comment below if you appreciate this type of segments so I can produce more of them. Then like and subscribe. Before you buy your next car, watch this, because the auto industry gave us one clearest warnings we have seen all year. Luxury brands are struggling to make EVs exciting. Automakers are rethinking electric plans. Major recalls are hitting Ford, Hyundai, Subaru, Honda, Acura, and others. Robotaxis are moving closer to the roads. Chinese automakers are pushing deeper into Europe. And add-to-ride repair is becoming a national fight, which President Trump got involved in. So this is not just another week of car news. This is about trust. Can you trust your vehicle? Can you trust the technology? Can you trust the company? And most importantly, should you spend your hard-earned money on it? Welcome back to Berdy Automotive News Update. Let's get into it right now.